Dear students, following question is a 2-mark question and it is a very logical question from topic of analysis of determinate structures. Here something reverse is asked. Here shape of shear force diagram is given and it is asked that what is the most appropriate loading diagram and support conditions as per the given shear force diagram. Now we will start from right hand side. Now here a concentrated force must be acting to produce a constant shear force up to point B, and at point B we encounter that there is a drastic change in value of shear force. That means either some force in opposite direction is acting or there has to be some support at point B. Now after point B up to this point that is marked as X by me, there is no loading because shear force remains constant. What the value was obtained at B, it remained constant up to point X. That means neither there is any uniformly distributed load, neither there is any concentrated load that is producing change in value of shear force. That means between X and B there should not be any type of load or any type of support. But if we talk from point X to point A, here we see a linear variation in the value of shear force, that is shear force diagram. It started accelerating from this point and up to point A it continued as a straight line, and we know that for a uniformly distributed load only we obtain a linearly increasing value of shear force, and hence that means there has to be a uniformly distributed load and at A some support should be located that is producing reaction of 14.45 kilonewton. Now all these conditions, that overhanging portion beyond point B up to C, then support at B, support at A, and a uniformly distributed load in portion AX is being satisfied by option number B. Hence B appears to be the closest choice. And even if you try the elimination, this is not possible because this portion of shear force diagram is not possible as far as this loading is concerned or this loading is concerned. So B is the correct choice for given question. Thank you.